Hello. I hope you're doing excellent. I hope you are empowered and not living a victim life. आज हम कुछ ऐसा डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो कि हमने इतनी बार डिस्कस किया हुआ है, बट वी आर गोना से इट वंस अगेन बिकॉज ये आपके ज़हन में घुसना बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इट्स सो वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नो this particular topic, whatever I'm going to talk about. Okay, so many of us sit here and crib and cry, oh meri footy kismat, hi my destiny, ये नहीं है, हेल्थ नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है, रिलेशनशिप्स खराब है, बॉस बुलिंग है, क्लाइमेट खराब है, कोविड सिचुएशन है, गॉड नोस व्हाट एंड ऑल, राइट? I'm here to tell you that you have the whole control of how your life turns out. देखिए, आप बिलीव करें या नहीं करें, लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी काम करता ही करता है, राइट? सिमिलरली, आप बिलीव करें या नहीं करें, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन भी काम करता है. So if you decide to go on the 10th floor and say, you know what, I don't believe in law of gravity, and jump from there, you're not really going to fly up. You're going to still come down on the ground. You're going to fall hard, right? Similarly, law of attraction is also working. If you think positively, you will have positive experiences. If you think negatively, you're going to experience negative. If you think negatively, you're going to experience negative situations. So I just told you that you have control what you experience in your life, and I'm just going to explain in detail, okay, how that is so. What I want you to do is pause this video. Go ahead, do it. Pause this video and take a pen and a notebook or a piece of page. Okay? अगर आप इस वीडियो को इसलिए चेकआउट कर रहे हो क्योंकि आपको वॉइस क्वालिटी देखना है, एस्थेटिक्स देखना है, or you want to check out something else, I don't think this is the video. I'm here to teach you a thing or two that I know about empowerment, about spirituality, about self-help. अगर आप serious हो, please grab a pen and a paper. And okay, ready? Let's start. So the very first component of how you decide how your destiny turns out is by the thoughts that you think. Okay? Now, an interesting thing about thoughts is you think about 80 to 85,000 thoughts every single day. So it's very difficult to keep a track of the thoughts that you think. And अगर आप में से कोई भी यहाँ overthinker है, you will know that once we go into that thought world, it becomes very difficult to come back and to get hold of ourselves. आपने experience किया होगा when you're in the kitchen cutting vegetables and you're fighting with your sister-in-law. The thought of the train of thought does not stop. It just continues, right? So anyways, we will get into how we can change all of that later on. But right now, I want you to write in the piece of paper, number 1, thoughts. That is the most basic foundation which decides what experiences you have in your life. Okay? So having positive, resourceful thoughts is very important. See, thoughts give rise to beliefs. Okay? What are beliefs? आप अगर एक ही तरह के सोच बहुत सालों से सोच रहे हो, if you're consistently thinking about one pattern of thoughts for a consistent period of time, that becomes a belief. So if I believe that I'm a healthy person, if I believe I'm financially abundant, if I believe I'm respected in my profession, whatever is it that I choose to believe over a period of time, it gets converted into belief. तो लिखिए, Consistent thoughts give rise to beliefs. लिखिए लिखिए. Don't be lazy, write it down. Okay, I think you've written it down. Let's go to point number 3. तो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि what happens with your thoughts, what thoughts are the basic structures. Thoughts give rise to beliefs. What about beliefs? Whatever I believe, whoever I believe I am, whatever are my beliefs, they make me do actions. If I believe I'm a good coach, I will charge accordingly. Okay? If I believe I'm a good mom, I will behave accordingly. I hope you get the train of thoughts. So your belief system helps you to take actions. Actions can be negative or positive depending on your beliefs. And beliefs in turn are dependent on the thoughts. Okay? Now, once you take action, that decides your destiny. तो ये जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं ना, ये जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं, थॉट्स, बिलीव्स, एक्शंस और डेस्टिनी, ये मैं आपको 1 वीक 1 डे की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कंसिस्टेंट लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट्स ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. आपने एक नेगेटिव थॉट सोचा, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू maybe it's not going to have a very big influence. But if you are a person who keeps consistently thinking negative thoughts, if you have a negative thought pattern, then over a period of time that will influence your belief, that will influence the actions that you take, and that will at the end affect your destiny. I hope it's all very clear. Good? All good? Did you take notes? Did this video make sense? Okay, so now I want to discuss one aspect which I'm often asked about. My clients often tell me, we don't have a very positive circle. Our family does not believe in this. Our friends don't believe in, this positive psychology or self-help or stuff like this. What we discuss is COVID, financial loss, health problems. So it's negativity. So how can I keep myself positive even in these situations? The answer is very simple. आप फेसबुक यूज़ करते हो, इंस्टाग्राम यूज़ करते हो, यूट्यूब यूज़ करते हो. आज के डेट में तो ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो नहीं यूज़ करता है. All of us do it, right? Ensure that your feed in your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube is as positive as possible. Surround yourself with good books. Keep a track of coaches like me who want to serve and who provide value in videos like these. Take time, invest in yourself. If you can, please invest in yourself financially also. Enroll in some course. Trust me, it helps. Okay? So, yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you. I hope you have made notes. I hope you have paid attention. See, we look at so many videos, है ना? दिन बे दिन हम कितने सारे वीडियोस देखते हैं, कितने सारे सीरियल्स देखते हैं, क्या कुछ नहीं देखते हैं. बट वीडियोस लाइक दीज, ये बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि आप इम्प्लीमेंट करो. ये नहीं कि बस सुन लिया, देख लिया, हो गया, भूल जाओ. यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन, यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट इन योर लाइफ. एक ही दिन या 2 दिन की बात नहीं है. You have to consistently do it and see how you grow. All right, so stay empowered till the very next video. Take care, lots of love. Bye bye.